gonna do a quick video, kind of an unboxing video. Special request by my wonderful sister-in-law and my favorite little YouTuber, Nolan. It's on the Craftsman V20 Brushless. RP stands for Runtime and Performance. I went with this particular set. I know you've got the Rigid people, you've got the Milwaukee, the DeWalt, just brands forever that you can get in these kind of tools, these cordless tools. But I went with the Craftsman. I've been kind of going back and forth between brushless, not brushed, brushless, brushed, that kind of thing, and couldn't really decide. But finally, they had the right sale. I went and got them at Lowe's. You got to watch Lowe's a little bit, though, because they do weird stuff with their prices. For example, the drill and impact driver here, you can get the exact same set that comes with 2 batteries and 1 charger, just like that. In the brushless variety, is one model number up from this, has just a little bit more torque for $239. Or you can get this set for $249, and then you get to pick any of a choice of 2 other cordless tools, all the brushless variety. I ended up going, I was kind of torn on whether to get the circular saw or the oscillating tool, that kind of thing. But I ended up going with the Sawzall, again, brushless, V20, Craftsman, and the oscillating tool. And I got those 2 because I've got an upcoming pavilion I'm gonna try to build. Hopefully I can do that, so wish me luck on that. And then the next thing that you got to do is they have several different packages of batteries that you can get. With the impact and the drill, they come with 1.5 amp hour batteries. I end up buying these extra because on these now you can get a 4 and a 6 AH battery. Now at Lowe's, they offer a 4 AH battery for $109 for 1 battery with no charger. Or you can get 2 4 AH batteries for like $139, I think is what it was. I can't remember the exact number on it, with no charger. Or you can get a 4 and a 6 with a charger, plus you get a free tool with that for $149. So I ended up getting this tool, the Craftsman Jigsaw, again, brushless. I'm gonna show you a few things that came with them, but all of these tools that you see right here end up with 4 batteries, 2 chargers, 5 tools, and all the little accessories that come with it for under $400. And I know that sounds like a lot of money, but compared to 1 tool of, say, a Milwaukee, you'll pay that for 1 tool in some cases. And I realize people say, well, Milwaukee's built for industry use, it's professional grade, all this stuff. Well, this stuff's gonna do exactly what I need to do. It's gonna be for a lot of do-it-yourself projects. It's gonna be for building a single pavilion. I'm interested to see how it kind of performs. I think it's gonna be just fine for what I need it for. I don't need it to go and be on a job site every single day performing. That's not what I bought it for. So I think it's gonna be fine, but I'll give you a follow-up review after we build the stuff with it. But just to show you kind of what it came with it, with oscillating tool, there's a couple of blades that came with it. You have a little extra set of hardware, and you have the sanding pad. And then you've got, with the Sawzall, the reciprocating saw, you have the blade that comes with that, and the jigsaw blade. And you also get this nifty little case to carry some stuff in, and then all the manuals here. Again, it's the Craftsman V20 set. Look forward to using it. Be very careful with all the prices that Lowe's does. I will say I checked these same prices on the same stuff at Ace Hardware, and they were about $20 to $30 more expensive per tool. So again, Lowe's has got some really good sales. I am not sponsored by Lowe's. I'm not sponsored by Craftsman, anything like that. They've got some good sales if you're careful about what you buy. But you've got to go and look at the different scenarios they offer, especially on these Craftsman tools, and make sure you get the best buy on what you can get. Again, I got all 5 of these tools, 4 batteries, 2 chargers, under $400. I think it's a pretty good deal for what I got. All brushless, so hopefully they'll last and do a good job. We'll see. Make sure to like and subscribe my channel, and we'll be back with a review video when we actually get to use them.